right, we are coming to you live from Baja, California, sir, in Mexico. As with anything on a live stream, success is uncertain, but excitement guaranteed. So bear with us if we have some technical difficulties. We are shooting this from Starlink, and we'll do our best. So we're down here in Mexico. We've got 2 release candidates from Cybertruck doing off-road durability testing because we really wanted to see firsthand how these trucks handled one of the most challenging routes in the world. These 2 trucks are straight out of the factory, except for some special race seats we've got installed. As you can see, we're getting jostled around pretty hard. We've got 5-point harnesses for our safety, but otherwise this is off the factory floor. We've obviously also attached a Starlink mobility unit, and that's what we're using for this live stream. So we've been out on this route for about a week now. We started up at, we started up at San Diego. Try and give you a view of that if I can hold it still long enough. We started up at San Diego, and we've taken the whole Baja Peninsula down. We're nearly to the bottom in Cabo. 1,280 miles later. This trip was pretty awesome and made possible by the Tesla destination charging network. The team had chargers set up at hotels all along the route, so anyone with a Tesla can go follow the same route we did. It's pretty sweet. We're really thankful for all the great people we met along these destinations too. Like these folks were so gleeful, surprised, excited, amazed. Their reactions and conversations were priceless. It was really humbling to have such a great reception. Everyone's excitement really helped us push through. It was a pretty tough week-long trip. Long days, early hours, late nights. We're sorry if my stream isn't the most perfect here, but we're doing our best. It's a bit bumpy. The terrain we've been on has been unbelievably varied as well. Of course, we've got Baja Desert, but we've also hit sandy wash. That's what we're in right now. We've got rocky ridges we've had to climb through. We had forests of giant cactus we made it through. We went through a salt flat that had red salt ponds, pretty sweet. Up and over a ton of mountains. And of course, it's Baja. There was washboard. The weather's been pretty great. You can see right now we're just around sunset. Things are going well. It's been mostly 80s and sunny, although over the week we've had a bunch of storms in and out. So we've got a few car washes throughout the trip, but nothing too terrible. I'm sure everybody's wondering, how did the trucks do? Well, you can kind of see for yourself. These trucks are hardcore. They're super fun, super durable. The only issues we've had, 2 flat tires so far. You know, we're still a few miles from the ocean, but we'll make it, I think. The ability of these trucks is super impressive. You can get on the road, be super comfortable driving on road, turn off onto the trailhead, and suddenly switch to off-road mode. We've got air suspension and active dampers, so we can totally change the ride and handling characteristics of the vehicle. And of course, it's not just capable, but it's super fun, as you can see from our viewpoint here. We've got some traffic, so we're just slowing down. has been a super fun trip. Really, really successful overall as far as an off-road durability trip. We've got lots of time, lots of seat time, tuning all the firmware, all the variables, testing out all the hardware, taking it to the extreme. It's been great. I'm really excited for everybody else to get a chance to experience this product as we have. Overall, I'm super impressed, and I want to give a shout out to the whole team, everybody involved. Everybody from the studio team who made this iconic design, to the engineering team that took great pride in the details of every part, and especially the factory team that's made it a reality. It's been great working with everyone in this process. And the end result of this super capable product is just super fun. It's hard to put into words. Sorry, I'm not doing it so eloquently. Here you go. You can see the ocean up ahead. That's the Pacific Ocean, the tip of Cabo. We've got a little bit of sunset over here. So, just wanted to say hi, and that's all for now. I think we'll be signing off. So, have a good one, everyone.